Hello and welcome to another update video about Coti. Just want to give you another update video because I haven't done one for a while, and even though Coti isn't doing much at the moment in this space here, it is climbing up the ladder slowly but steadily. So if you remember, we've come all the way up to 70 cents early in the year, then we've cooled down a long time, a bit similar to Quant, a bit similar to Cardano, where we had to just cool down. Then we found a low here, down there. This was around the 50-day moving, the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, maybe a little bit lower. The low was around 46.5 cents. From here then, however, we have been moving up, climbing up the ladder, finding support here at the 50-day moving average, climbing up higher, gone crazy around the 31st of October before the mainnet 2.0 launch, and then we've dropped down. But we've dropped down to the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level at 53.5 cents. So it just indicates that we're climbing up the Fibonacci levels. Couldn't get through the last all-time high. It looks a bit like it is a double top, but I think the fact that we're now finding support at the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level is positive. So this price is very well adhering to the Fib levels. And now we've come back to the resistance here at 60 cents. That's the previous resistance here. I think it might be another Fib level in between here that I haven't put on the chart here. But yeah, I mean, we now need to, now that we've established a new higher low here, that new support level at the 53.5 cent 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, together with the 50-day moving average here, which is providing support there as well, I think we are set up to move higher. You can see that overall, since the low here on the 19th of October, we've been making higher lows throughout. So you could argue that we are back in an uptrend after that consolidation, even though it is slow at the moment, but it can go very, very quickly, very high. We saw that and made actually a new all-time high, which is also why I don't think this is a real double top that we see here. We have gone really high, especially on Coinbase. And Coti has a lot of potential for me. It's a serious project, good partnerships. The DJ is coming out, the stablecoin, and as soon as we get closer to that, and it becomes really, people can experience it, and use it, this price will go up much, much higher for Coti. I think Coti is now that the other cryptos are going up, Coti hasn't now for a while. It's time for Coti to catch up at some point. And that's what it did last time. It was lagging behind a little bit, and then it was catching up quickly. A bit like Quant, yeah, also moving sideways a little bit and then moving up very, very quickly. And when it's moved up quickly, it's going to stop again and then move sideways. That's like Algorand, like Quant, like Coti, all these ones in the same, a bit like Cardano as well. So they can move very, very quickly. Here on the, we've all the way been now in the bullish range of the RSI. So on the RSI, this has really given us support here, the 50 line. That is good. That is good. So this sets up our, we are still quite low on the RSI, but we are in the bullish range on the daily. So from here we can move up. So, I can't really see a clear breakout point here at the moment, but as soon as we get above that previous high here, which is at, now we're at 56 cents roughly. We need to get above, obviously, that previous high at around 65, 66 cents. When these daily candle closed, I think this is where, where you can actually see it looks a little bit like a double top here, even though we peaked here, but we need to get above this level, 66. I think when we get above that, you did see last time how high we can go then, but it has a lot of potential. So it could be that we're now moving up here in a ascending triangle as well. We've got a horizontal up here now, that previous all-time high when the candles were closing on the daily. Oops, just move that up. And we've got that ascending trend line that could lead us up in an ascending triangle now into an apex, and from there we break out to the upside. And I'm bullish on, I'm very bullish on, on Coti. Hope you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.